How to create avatar on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure that your app is fully updated. Now you want to log into your account. If you want to create an avatar on Instagram, all you have to do is follow these simple steps. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now you want to tap on Account Center. Then tap on Profiles option. Select your Instagram profile in which you want to create your avatar. Now you have four different options here: name, username, profile picture, and avatar. Tap on the fourth option. Here you have different options to create your avatar. You have the appearance option where you can choose your appearance, which includes hairstyles, eyebrows, facial hair, skin tone, and body. Now you can go ahead and customize it however you want. You can also tap on the store option, and from here you can choose the tops, bottoms, and the shoes that you want your avatar to wear. Go ahead and explore all of this, and then you can simply dress up your avatar. You also have the option of closet. In here you're going to find the current items that your avatar is wearing. If you want to change it, tap on the more option and then select whichever you want from here. Once you have customized your avatar, tap on the save option. And as you can see, your avatar is being updated. And this is how you can create your avatar on Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.